Hello, humans. Welcome back. And Harbor Freight has confirmed the 3 days of deals and gave us an insight to what the other deals could be. So let's take a look what we're getting. On day one, the U.S. General 30-inch cart four-drawer for 149 and also will include 40% of all icon lights. Second day, we'll have icons locking flex head Ratchet plus 20 volt 5 amp batteries, maybe. And on the third day, we got 40% of all icon wrenches. This is the time to stock up on all the wrenches. Last time it was a zoo. If we zoom in, we could see the Badlands Jack 3 ton. So that will be exciting to see it on sale. Wonder how much percentage, my guess, maybe up to 40%. Now let's take a look inside the cart. We could see the Predator 212cc Go-Kart engine for sale. I think this is the first time I've seen the Go-Karts engines for sale in a long time. So get them while they're hot. It's time to go some racing, guys. And as well, we could see the Vulcan welding mask on the top, holding by Santa there. That's another great buy looking at. Hopefully, we'll see. Stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe to more deals